Hey everyone, it's Nicole here and welcome back again for another video. So if you're new here in my channel, so hi, my name is Nicole. I make vlogs all about beauty, lifestyle, college, finances. So if bet mo yung isa sa mga content doon, please subscribe down below and hit on the notification bell for more videos like this in the future. For today's video, meron na naman tayong bagong vlog and sorry if medyo natagalan yung bago nating upload, but right now, I'm so excited to share sa inyo another product review, and this product review is super helpful and super effective because I've tried it for 4 weeks. This product is really helpful, hindi lang sa skin natin, hindi lang siya basta-basta skincare, but this is helpful to our overall health. It can also help you on your aging problem. So, hindi natin papatagalin pa. This product is Oswell Collagen Max, and I'm really excited to share to you my experience and some clips kung ano yung mga pinagdaanan ko sa loob ng 1 month na pag-take ko ng product na to. And before we start, just a disclaimer, I'm not a pharmacist, I'm not a drug expert. I'm just a user who shares her own experience taking the pills and sharing the effect. I'm just sharing my own experience. Okay? So, ayan, this video is divided into 3 parts. So, yung first part ng video natin is I will share kung ano nga ba yung collagen, ano ba yung mga claims neto, paano ba dapat yung pag-take neto, and ano yung ways para maging effective to. Second part of this video, I'll show the clips while taking it for 4 weeks. Yes, I'm using this product for 4 weeks na. And ito na yung last day ng pag-take ko. So, that's why I filmed this vlog na ngayon. Talagang naghintay ako ng matagal para makita yung effects sa skin and sa body ko. And last part, the third part of this video is I will share my personal experience kung ma-recommend ko ba. So, ayun guys, I hope you enjoyed. And ayun, I'll start with my first part of this video, which is the claims of collagen. And at first, medyo skeptical talaga ako gumamit ng collagen. Kasi, pag collagen, naisip ko agad na it's for anti-aging, ganyan, thinking na I'm just 20 years old. But no guys, I already talked to a pharmacist and she said na healthy pa rin i-consume yung collagen even though you're young. So, start young. If gusto mo talaga ma-preserve yung skin mo na very healthy, na okay pa rin yung skin mo, hindi tayo pa-atras mag-age. So, might as well na take care of our skin as early as possible. Kaya, take collagens na while you are young. It's really good to your health, it's good to your immune system, and also, especially to your skin. So, babasahin ko lang din dito muna kung ano ba yung mga guidelines ng pag-take ng collagen and ano ba yung mga contents nito and also the claims before I proceed sa aking personal experience. So, mula dito sa box, yung packaging niya sobrang liit lang, but it has 90 tablets that you can take 1 to 2 tablets every day. So, mas effective if you take 1 tablet early in the morning, yung tipong wala pang laman yung tiyan mo. Doon ka titake ng isang tablet ng collagen, and every night before ka matulog, doon ka mag-take ng pangalawa mong collagen because they said na mas effective daw if ganun yung pag-intake mo ng mga collagens. Ayan, so it has 200 milligram and it claims that this collagen helps you to whiten your skin, brighten your skin, remove your wrinkles, fine lines, and pores. Talagang obvious naman siya. Today is the last day of my 4th week taking it, and I'll show you some clips kung ano ba yung mga pinagdaanan ko while taking it, how do my skin changes. Medyo dull yung skin ko before kasi syempre call center ako, nagpupuyat ako, and then talagang nagda-dull yung skin ko eh. Hindi ko nararamdaman yung pagkakaroon ng acne. Kasi syempre if nagpupuyat ka, magkakaroon ka ng acne, may blemishes ka, talagang nakarisk yung health and skin mo if you are having a night shift job and if stress ka. But taking collagens, especially the Oswell Collagen Max, really helps me to maintain my skin very young looking, glowing. So, the claims of the Oswell Collagen Max, it helps you to have a glowing skin, remove wrinkles and pimples, moisturizes the skin, elastic skin, and whitening. Why? Because it has collagen. And kanina ko pa minimension yung collagen. So, if you are not yet familiar collagen, alam ko this is very popular lalo na sa mga drugstore, pharmacy, even sa mga online shops and beauty products. Even yung mga pinapahid natin sa muka is merong collagen. And ano nga ba yung collagen? Collagen is a protein responsible for healthy joints and skin elasticity for stretchiness in your bones, muscle, and blood, compromising 3/4 of your skin and 1/3 of your protein in your body. So, ayan, as we age, kailangan natin ng collagen sa body natin because it helps sa elasticity ng skin natin. And ayun, there are some asking me if safe bang mag-take ng collagen everyday. And yes, guys, it's super safe. It's also ISO certified, HACCP certified, and this was sourced from Taiwan. So, this is very safe, guys. I will link the shop down below if you want to take and also if you want to purchase this collagen. Those are all of the clips ng pag-intake ko ng Oswell Collagen Max. And so far, so good talaga. Napansin ko yung pag-glow ng skin ko. And then, kahit hindi ako masyadong nagtitake ng skincare kasi night shift ako, I'm busy. I'm just taking this twice a day, every night and day. And then, napansin ko na hindi talaga ako nagkakaroon ng pores. Wala akong mga tigyawats, ganyan. And also, pumuputi yung mga dark areas ko such as yung elbow, ayan, yung underarm, and also yung tuhod ko. So, ayun talaga yung pinakaunang-unang naging effect na napansin ko. And then, yung pag-glow ng skin ko, kahit wala akong makeup na suot, talagang nararamdaman ko and nakikita ko na moistured siya. So, before kasi dry skin ako and lagi akong may problem sa balat ko, lalo na if hindi ako naka-makeup and then wala akong moisturizer na ginamit, nagbabakbak siya. And then, alam mo yung parang malungkot yung skin mo. So, that's what I experienced nung mga first week. Kasi hindi mo mapapansin agad yung changes sa first few days pa lang ng pag-take mo. It will gradually show to your skin once in a while. Maybe magkakaiba tayo ng balat, guys. So, I don't claim anything. That's just a disclaimer. So, ayun lang yung experience ko. And overall, I really love the results. Ayun lahat ng mga clips nung pagtitake ko. And meron ding mga days na hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi medyo busy ako. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung ilang clips doon is I'm at work. So, ayan, may duty ako and I'm taking the collagen. So, ayan guys, if you are curious and if you want to purchase their products, I'll leave the link down below so that you can check out, guys. So, ayan guys, I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching. See you again soon. Thank you. Bye for now.